Hi, I'm Josh from Gorilla Glue. Today I'm going to show you how to use Gorilla Super Glue. The high strength and quick set time of Gorilla Super Glue make it the go-to adhesive for a variety of household projects. Developed for long-lasting repairs in an instant, Gorilla Super Glue is designed with an impact-tough formula to handle bumps and drops with a strong, reliable bond. Gorilla Super Glue is available in 4 different forms: our original liquid formula, a thick and controlled gel formula that works great on vertical surfaces, brush and nozzle, which allows you to apply glue either through a precision tip nozzle or a fine bristled brush, and precise gel, which combines a precision tip with the controlled gel formula. All varieties come with an anti-clog cap that keeps glue from drying out, and they are versatile enough to bond plastic, wood, metal, ceramic, rubber, paper, and more. Using Gorilla Super Glue is simple, but a few tips can go a long way in your next fix. First, clean and dry the surfaces you will be bonding. If you're using super glue gel, the next step would be to shake the bottle and tap firmly on the cap. This action positions the glue to the tip of the bottle, allowing for easy dispensing. With Gorilla Super Glue brush and nozzle, twist off the cap to use the nozzle or unscrew the entire top for the brush. When applying any Gorilla Super Glue, remember that you only need a small amount on one surface. We recommend 1 drop per square inch. Too much glue can actually cause a weakened bond. Press the 2 surfaces together firmly for about 10 to 45 seconds. For a full cure, allow the bond to remain undisturbed for 24 hours. Set time can vary based off of the amount of glue and the type of surface glue. Once you are done with a project, cleanup is simple. Wipe off the nozzle or brush with a dry rag and replace the cap. Store in a cool, dry place where it is easily accessible for all your fixes. Thanks for watching. Check back for more Gorilla Tough tips and other project ideas.